Okay guys, I just wanted to make a quick video here about how we're going to be setting up the garden this year. This is a new way we're trying it. We normally do like the cover with plastic and then let it like kill off all the weeds. Well, this year we got a little late start on it, and also I used a plastic clear tarp on one part of the garden over here, you'll see in a second, that didn't kill it off like the black tarp did, which you'll see. And I'm actually extending the garden about another 15 feet over. So I'm going to put down cardboard and then I'm going to soak it in water. And I'm going to put some compost and stuff over top of it. And I got some I think they call it landscape fabric. It's coming in the mail probably this week. I'm going to tarp it all off with that, nail it in with some landscape little staples, and then burn the holes in when we put the seeds in. I forget, I seen it on a YouTube channel. I forget who it was. If I remember, I'll just mention them at the end of the video. But so far, this is what I got, so I'll show you what I got. Okay, guys, so this is what it is. I got it T-post off, so you can see it comes out to here, goes over to there, comes to here. I think all in all, it's about 40 by 40. You can see right here, I used a clear tarp. Barely killed anything. Right here, I used a black tarp. It killed everything, and this stuff is just from the barn. I've been putting all the stuff from the barn there. And then right here is where it used to, the old garden stopped. I'm extending it over to there, so this is all grass. So I'm gonna put down cardboard over this whole garden, and then I'm going to soak it in water. And then, like I said, in about a week, I'm going to cover it completely in that landscape fabric, and then just give it some time for everything to die, and then we'll start planting in about a month. Well, I wasn't able to get all of it covered up, but I got the majority of it covered up. You can see over my shoulder. So I got quite a bit of it covered. This part's right here is pretty dead anyway, so once I cover it with the landscape fabric, that's gonna help too. So now I'm gonna spray it. What are you doing, buddy? Nice boots, some farming boots. Easy, girl, easy. Hey, don't go out there. I don't need no help out there from you. Hey, come over here. You get some new farm boots? Show me them. Ooh, model them for me. Yeah, girl. Look at Ellie over there. She really likes that tarp by the wood burner we're putting in the barn. Got my helper out here soaking the cardboard for me. Say hi, Jackie. Hi. You're doing a great job, boy. Keep it up. Had a neighbor just drop all this hay off to me, which is real nice of him. That'll be nice when it comes time for the little babies to start eating it. So I really appreciate it. It's nice to have nice neighbors. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna really drench all of this cardboard. Make sure it's nice and wet, that way it helps keep it from blowing away. And then I'll probably do this again tomorrow. And I think by Wednesday or Thursday that fabric's supposed to be here. I'll put that down and then let that sit for about a month. And then I'll start putting stuff in the ground.